Introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
My,
introduce yourself.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Marjorie, 36 years old from Tucanon, Ariton, Nueva Vizcaya. I am married and I have one children, 16 years old. My father is deceased. My mother is a housewife. I have one brother and one sister, madam. I am a Christian and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. How old is your kid now?
My
How
kid,
old
madam.
is your kid?
16
Yeah.
years, 16 years old, madam.
Only one?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Boy.
it boy or girl? Okay. Okay. If you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your 16 years old boy?
My mother, ma'am.
How about your husband?
My husband is a fisherman, ma'am.
Oh, so he's already out of home, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So about your working experience in Malaysia and UAE, which one is the first job you work abroad?
Malaysia, ma'am.
Malaysia, which year to which year?
2013 to 2015, ma'am.
2013 to 2015.
15. Yes,
16.
ma'am.
Okay, so 3 years. It is 3 years.
2 years, ma'am. 2 years. 2013 to 2015.
Oh, 15. Okay. Okay, so how many family members you need to serve?
I serve three members of the family, madam. One couple and one newborn.
Oh, when you born baby.
Yes, madam.
Okay. The employer, they are Malaysians, Singaporean, or Chinese.
Chinese, madam.
The Chinese, they speak English or Mandarin or Cantonese to
Eng-
you.
English, madam. They speak English.
Okay. But if they ask you to cook Chinese food,
Sorry, madam.
if they ask you to cook Chinese food,
Yes, madam. I cook like fried fish, um, stir fry kangkong, asparagus with beef, fried rice, like that, madam.
okay, like simple Chinese food. But
Yes,
they
ma'am.
speak. Have they ever bring you back to China? Didn't.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you take care of the newborn baby. You don't have coworker, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the daily routine, like what time you wake up, what you need to do to take
In
care of
Chinese, madam. In
in
Malaysia,
Malaysia?
madam.
Yeah, yeah.
I wake up in 6 a.m., madam. Then after I do clean. I clean the house, do laundry, wash the dishes, and maintaining all the cleanliness of the house.
Mm-hmm.
And take care also the baby, madam.
Okay. What time the baby wake up?
It depends, madam. Sometimes so early, sometimes 9, sometimes it depends, madam.
Yes. Yes, I know. So for the newborn baby, you need to sleep with her or
No, madam.
you have your own room.
You sleep with the mother, madam.
Okay, so when the baby wake up, cry, you need to start taking care of her, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Do you need to make formula milk for the baby?
Yes, madam. First, I need to wash the. I need to change the diaper. I need to wash, madam. I need to clean. Then after that, I give the milk. After finish the milk, I put her and make burp.
Mm.
Need to burp the baby.
Yes. If you need to take shower for the newborn baby by yourself, take shower.
I make him shower with my employer, madam, with the
Oh,
mother.
okay, more safe. Okay, so every day you need to take shower for the baby, and the lady employer will take shower for the baby together, right?
Yes, madam. But sometimes if my madam is go outside,
Mhm.
I take shower alone. I make him shower alone, madam.
Okay, I see. So you can manage it.
Yes,
Can
madam.
you tell me like what kind of food you make for the newborn baby except milk? Anything else like soft food, liquid?
Ste-
Mm-hmm.
steam egg, steam egg, steam steam chicken,
Mm-hmm.
steam fish, like that.
Okay,
Rice with
but
the
soft
rice.
food, I mean baby food.
Yes, madam.
Like any baby food you can make. Can you tell me how to make baby food?
Like I steam like the carrot, pumpkin, like this, madam.
It's okay.
Yes,
Soft food, right?
yes, madam. The carrot, pumpkin, like this,
Okay.
and boiled egg, boiled egg.
Boiled egg. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. see. If the baby is not feeling well, maybe it has high fever, what will you do?
Maybe you need to check the temperature, madam. Maybe
Mhm.
she's sick like that.
Yeah, if she has a high fever, what will you do? High temperature, what will you do?
Uh, I call my employer and I make the towel, madam, to put the water and put here.
Mm. Will you just keep the medicine by yourself without the instruction from the employer?
I need to ask first my employer, madam, before I give medicine.
Yes, correct. And
Yeah.
can you tell me, like, sometimes because the newborn baby, they're sometimes they are just keep crying. They don't want to sleep, and even you keep holding her, she's keep crying. We don't know what happened. So, what will you do if the situation like this?
Maybe sometimes he want to play.
Mm, okay. Can you sing baby song?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Can you sing me a song? Can you show me a short clips of of the song that you can sing?
Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want.
It's okay. I know so many people are watching you. Okay, so
Yeah.
do you need to tell storybook or teaching alphabet, numbering, coloring with the baby?
Yes, madam. I can also tutorial the newborn. I can offer tutorial the children like reading, writing, and identifying the colors and numbers.
Identifying. Okay, so if you need to
Yes,
do
madam.
it in Malaysia, if you ever do it with the baby in Malaysia,
Madam, sorry.
if you need to tutoring or teaching number in Malaysia, do you have experience in Malaysia tutoring?
English, madam, because my employer buy only the English book.
Oh, okay. So you have experience, like, you read the book with
Yeah.
the baby, right?
Yes, madam.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about in UAE?
New AE, madam. Newborn. I think you're also the newborn there, madam.
Oh, also newborn. Which year to which year you work in UAE?
2024 to 2026, madam. January 2026.
Okay, so you just come back this year.
Yes, madam.
Okay, in UAE you take care of newborn.
Yes, madam.
Okay, since infant or since which month?
Be- because
Just now.
newborn, just newborn, madam.
Do you have coworker?
No, madam.
Okay, so I think the job duty is same with Malaysia one. Is it
Madam,
same?
sorry.
What is your job duty? Is your job duty same with the Malaysian
Yes,
one?
yes, madam. Almost same.
Or same, okay. Do you have your own pet in Philippines, own cat and dog?
I don't have, madam.
You don't have, but you don't afraid of it, right?
Yes, madam. I don't have dog and cat there.
Okay, so I see. I want to ask more about your Chinese employer in Malaysia. If you know how to make Chinese soup for the employer,
ABC soup.
Chinese soup, I mean Chinese, like carrot
Yeah,
soup, fish
yeah,
soup.
ABC. This is ABC soup, madam. Chinese soup. This one, diba?
Okay.
And the medicine soup. The medicine they
Yeah, yeah.
always make.
Yes. Okay, the medicine soup. Okay.
Yeah,
So if you can say medicine soup, then even you know.
yeah. Yes, madam. I can.
Okay. How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
It depends, madam, until my employer wants me.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Okay, madam. Thank you.